everyone, it's laundry day today, so we're going to do laundry day look. I know nobody really does this, but I'm going to do it. So we're going to do very minimal stuff. And here I have my little box. I just have 9 products here to use, okay? So we're going to start with our primer. Although we're not using foundation today, we're going to start with our primer, you know. Alright. Regular stuff. Okay. Actually, I should even use primer because I just washed my face. But, you know. Just for the sake of the video. Okay, next we're going to reach out for our concealer. We're going to use Infallible Pro Glow shade 02. This is a very strong formula, so if I do any muecas, you know, they look funny, but it kind of hurts. Alright, I'm going to use this on my mirror. Okay, good. Now when I start setting in, it starts hurting. I don't know, maybe I just have sensitive eyes. Right? Why do I conceal my nose so much? Whatever. This is a way better wand than that little trial size that I had. I still have it, but okay. Considering other spots too, since this is our only method of, you know, covering things up. Well, that's weird. I guess it's when I have the concealer in front of the light that I get like a weird reaction to it. Alright. That was a lot of blending. Alright, looks pretty fine to me. So next I'm going to move on. Alright, so we're wearing blue. So I'm thinking, okay, we have blue. Oh, that's not good. Blue and then a pink feather. Should I take it off? Looks cute. All I gotta do is change my sweater, but I don't know. I don't have my pink sweater anymore, so it has to go. Alright, bye. Alright, next, we're just gonna get purple because I want to work it, like, you know, the ivory. It's called ivory. No, it's indigo. Indigo and purple. Alright, it's not gonna work because these purples are very they're very violety, so maybe I could just work it out with this one right here. I don't know if you see it. Wait, you can't see it. Right here, this one. Has the heart right there. Alright, so we're gonna use that one. It's a little pinkish, so I'm not really gonna use, or actually it down to 8 products because I'm not gonna use the eyelid primer, so just 8 products today, and you know, not including the brushes, but the brushes products. Okay, so we're just gonna go here, like all over the lid. How am I slacking? I always slack. Alright, we don't want too much coverage on there. We just want color, like that's it, like color, even if it's sheer. Alright. Oops. Next, we're going to do, okay, I'm going to do eyeliner. I'm actually using my L'Oreal Paris Telescopic. Alright, so that, I don't know, I'm just a thick liner girl. I'm really used to doing thin liners and stuff. And how does that look? Oh, wait, got a little dry. Yeah, I think this liner is not waterproof, so gotta let it dry right there. Alright, other eye. Back to 9 products because I really want to do some eyeliner in the lower lash line, so we're gonna do, whoa, that was really out. Okay. Okay, so, ooh, who broke this? Man. Okay, I hope I can really do this. Yeah, just connect the top and the bottom, really. And make sure all sides are even. Not that one side is, you know, more pigmented than the other. And just go on the other side. Alright, we got it. Yeah. Alright. So next we are going to just do Lash Paradise. We're going to put Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. Okay. Forget to open this. Right. There we go. Just a little bit. We don't really want the mascara to take away from the wing liner look. We just want the feel of, like, you know, this girl's doing her laundry, but she's not lazy today, so we want that look. Oh, and for those of you wondering, if you did see my my perfume collection challenge video, which I will link down below for those of you who want to watch it, I may or may not disclose the list of all those 40 perfumes that I am going to get for the collection. Just let me know if you want to see it. Alright, so last few steps is just, it's blush, highlighter, and I always do lips last. So lips last. I have I should have 3, alright. So I'm not missing anything. Okay, so I have like a dark purple, and then I have a purple, like, what do you call it, like a pastel purple, and then like a glossy pink. So I think, you know, I would do a glossy pink. Why not? Should I do the purple? Yeah, I haven't really used purple, so let's just go for it. This one's glossier. This is the NYX Professional Makeup, by the way. It's a butter gloss. Alright. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna do the lips first, you know. Although I just said that I always do the lips last, so. It definitely is a little bit tricky. Sorry, I'm looking that way. Is that my computer's this way and my camera's this way, so. Alright, so we're done with the eyes, and we just want to put on some blush. I'll do it with a fan brush today, so why not? And then I already have this other fan brush for the highlighter. Let's just set it. Alright, let's set it. This is a NYX Matte Finish saw that. Should I add more blush, or is that fine? I think this is a beautiful look. Alright. Maybe a little bit too much. I should blot the lips a little bit. Or we should just, like, you know, go like this. Do our laundry. Do your thing. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed my video. Definitely check out my perfume collection challenge. Yes, I called it a challenge. Alright, it's gonna be a challenge because it's 40 perfumes and they're like all different, like high end and like lower prices and all these kind of stuff. So I'm really looking forward to that. It's gonna take a while. I don't know yet. I'm just working on it. It's an idea. Excuse me. It's an idea I just found. Like I just came out with it like 2 days ago, and then I posted it the day after. So, okay, I hope you enjoyed this look, and, you know, if you don't want to use purple, you could always use any other color. Just always use colors that really, you know, stand out to you, whichever day you're using it. And, yeah, so I'm going to get back to the laundry. The laundry is already done. I got to go take out the clothes and then go dry it. Okay, bye guys. Subscribe, like, leave your comments down below, and have a great day.